Good morning and hello children. I hope you all are doing well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your English teacher. Today we will start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is My Shadow, a poem by Robert Louis Stevenson. But before we begin, can you tell me what you see on the screen? Yes, it is a shadow. But now the question arises that what is a shadow? A dark area or shape produced by a body coming between the rays of light and surface is called shadow. Children, have you ever noticed something following you wherever there is a light? Yes, it is nothing but your own shadow. Now let us proceed and read through the poem and understand it. So the poem begins. Put the finger where I am reading. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than it can see. Here in this poem there is a little child who wondering that it goes in and out with him and what moves around with him. He says that it is little shadow and he is trying to figure what is the use of shadow as from that it can see it move along with him. Now come to the next line. He is very like me from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So because it is his shadow, it is the little boy's shadow, he says he looks exactly like him. He looks same to same like him from head to toe. And also the shadow jumps to the bed before the boy jumps to the bed. So this line clears that the shadow looks exactly like him and it moves with the boy where the boy moves. Now the next para, the funniest things about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. The little boy found it is very funny how the shadow becomes big and small all with time. The shadow does not grow like a proper children do as we usually grow. Very slowly, it takes a lot of time us to grow, but the shadow changes its length and height very quickly or suddenly. So in this para, it is clear that the shadow grows suddenly or very quickly, and by this the boy finds it funny thing that it grows suddenly or quickly. In the next line, for he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes goes so little that there is none of him at all. The shadows sometimes look very tall, just like how an India rubber ball bounces. A small ball, rubber ball, which we throw, it bounces very high in the sky. The shadow looks like that India rubber ball. And sometimes when the sun is right above our head, the shadow is very small and it is as little as it does not exist at all. Now in the next para, he hasn't got a notion. Notion means to know or to get an idea of how children ought to play and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close behind me, he is a coward, you can see. Here the boy says that the shadow does not know how to play when he goes outside. Because he can't play with the boy, so the boy thinks that the shadow does not know how to play. The boy also says that the shadow stays very close to him all the time. So the boy thinks that the shadow was so coward that he even not know how to play with him. Now we will come to next page, that is, I didn't think seemed to stick to Nursie. I did think seemed to stick to Nursie as that shadow sticks to me. In this line, the boy says that the boy thinks that he seems same to Nursie like a babysitter, like a baby stick to a babysitter. That means very disgusting. The boy feel very disgusting because the shadow always stick to him like a baby stick to a babysitter, because the shadow always stick to him wherever he goes. In the next para, one morning, very early before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. Here rose means to rise, to get up early in morning when the sun didn't rise, and buttercup means a yellow flower. So in this para, the boy is trying to say that the boy tells that one day he got up very early in the morning, even before the sun rose, and could find the dewdrops shining on every buttercup means yellow flowers, or every flowers that he could see. Now we will come to the next line. But my lazy little shadow, like our sleepy hat, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So how the boy rose up very early in the morning, he got up even before the sun was out, so he could not find his shadow. And so the boy said, the shadow behaved like a lazy boy, a lazy, inattentive boy who kept sleeping at home and did not go out with the boy. Here the boy is trying to say that his shadow is very lazy and inattentive, that when he goes out, when he wake up in the morning and he goes out, the shadow did not woke up with him and goes out to play with him. So here the poem finished, and thank you for watching, students. And if there is any query or doubt, you are free to ask. Feel free to ask. Take care. Have a nice day.